Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add another account in WhatsApp and iPhone. If you're using WhatsApp in your iPhone and you want to add another account in your WhatsApp app, so let's see how can you do that. So you just have to open your WhatsApp app and here tap on the settings option in the bottom right corner and you'll get the WhatsApp settings. But here unfortunately there is no any official way to use your WhatsApp or use dual account in your WhatsApp on your iPhone, but you can still use another account on your WhatsApp using a second app. So open your App Store here and you have to search for the app which is WhatsApp Business. It is a second app from Meta Services. It is also an official WhatsApp app, so you can easily use this without any issue or any errors. You just have to tap on this open option here, or if you haven't installed it you have to install the app, then tap on agree and continue here, and you just have to tap on allow to send you notification, and then it will recommend you to use your previous number. You just have to tap on this use a different number option, and here enter your phone number and verify and register your WhatsApp account, and after that you can easily use dual account or two accounts in your same iPhone without any issue or without any secret reasons. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.